Hello guys, welcome to the fourth tutorial of PIC learning, and in this video I'll show you how to use a sequence of LEDs through which I'll help you to learn a for loop, while loop, and how to use inputs and pull-up resistors in PIC 16F877E. If you're completely new to this tutorial, please visit circuitdigest.com, and I have already made two tutorials in which I'll instruct you how to get started with MPLAB-X and PIC 16F877E. That's what I'm showing you right now. So now let's get to this first tutorial, in which we'll be using a sequence of LEDs, as I told you earlier. So this will be a hardware setup. What I have done here is connected 8 LEDs to the 8 bits of port D using a 1K pull-up resistor, 1K resistor to limit the current. If you want to get the schematics of this circuit, it will be in circuitdigest.com again. So I'll just show you quick schematics of this. So this is what I have done. I have this board, which is outside the violet box, is already made for the previous tutorial. As you can see, I have reused the same board. I have just added some Berg sticks so that I can pull those connections and give it to our LEDs over here. So I have just reused the same board with a push button and 8 LEDs that goes to the 8 bits of port D. So this is the schematics. The circuit inside this violet color box is the new dot board that I showed you. Now let me get into the program and explain you the program. The program is already dumped over here, so I won't be showing how to dump this again. So it's already dumped, and I'll just I have already explained the code in the article itself, so I'll just quickly run you through the code, and then we'll see the working of this project. So this is our program's name, sequence LED, and I have attached the hex file, the complete program with the schematics in circuitdigest. So if you want to make use of it, you can go ahead and download it. I'll also put a link in the description. So this is our program, and a few things that I would like to explain here is the function calling and how the LED is being shifted from left to right. So before we get started with the program, I think it's better to have a look at the output. So let me power on the kit. So it's on. As we saw in the previous tutorial, whenever the kit is on, this red color LED will go high. So our program is that when we press this button, there will be a sequence of light that is going from this end to this end. Initially there will be one LED that travels from this here to here, and then it will go back from here to here, and then 2 LEDs will be traveling, then 3, then 4, then at the end all the LEDs will be lit up together. So let's go ahead and press this. That's it. So I'll go again. So when you release it, it will stop in the previous instruction, like it will stop in the previous line which LED was glowing. Like when I released it, this LED was glowing, so it just stood there. So when I continue, it will start from the beginning then. So as you can see, initially 1 LED will move, then 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and all will be lit together. So this is our program. Now I'll show you the code for this. Let's start with the void main. So here I have declared that port B will be the 0th pin on port B will be an input pin, the port D will be used as output, and option register is used to enable the pull-up resistor. So you can see that I have not added any resistors to the switch. It's just the switch itself, so there are only 8 LEDs and 8 resistors with the switch. This switch is directly grounded to it is directly across the ground and the RB0 pin, since it is just being pulled down. Okay, now this line says that whenever the button is grounded, that is RB0 is equal to 0, I'll call a function with parameter 1. This function will go here and call a for loop where port D is left shifted. I'll show you the document. So as you can see, if you want to completely understand this program, go to the article on circuit digest. So here it is. So port D is being left shifted by 0 first, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, because the for loop starts with 0 and ends with 7. We have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 here, and since the value of get was 1 back then, so it's 1 over here, and the 1 is being left shifted. Okay, so when it is left shifted for the 0th time, the one will just be here. When it is left shifted for the first time, it will move 1 bit. When it is left shifted twice, it will move 2 bits. Likewise, the LED is traveling from this end to this end. That's what we saw in the output. Now how to make 2 LEDs traveling? For that, we'll use another function sblink with the parameter 3. Now why it is 3? Because we know that for binary it is 8 4 2 1. So 1 is the place of the first LED, 2 is the place of the second LED. Now we want to make both these LEDs to be lit up, so we'll use 2 plus 1 3, and then for 4 LEDs it will be again 4. 8 4 2 1, in the sense it will be 4 plus 2 plus 1, so it's 7, and for 4 LEDs it will be 15. And finally, if the button is still being pressed, we'll make all the outputs go high. That's what this is. Port D is equal to 0xFF. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts, you can reach me through the comment section. Thank you for watching.